I'm back again. So today we are going to make buffalo. Most of you call it bofrot. I don't know how you call it, but we are going to make buffalo. So here we have our flour, salt flour, sugar. I just kept some water here in case I'll be needing water. Our nutmeg. And I wanted to add some flavor to it because I love vanilla flavor a lot. And then here is our yeast that we allowed it to settle. So guys, we are going to start with the buffalo. As I use some gloves so that, you know, we want our yeast to settle. Little amount of water. After mixing it, you have to cover it and leave it for some time. So you're going to start mixing the dry ingredients. Let me add the sugar to it. So we have the dry ingredients. So I'm mixing the dry ingredients before. I want to add the flavor, so I have to add it before I pour the yeast in it. I'm a little okay. So I'm mixing as I add water to it so that let me remove the gloves. I think that will be better so that I can do it well. The glove. I wanted to feel comfortable and then do it properly, so I had to remove the gloves. So I'm mixing it and then I have to. So I get the smooth. Make sure I can get it. Sorry, to get it to be the way you want it. After you are done, you leave it for some time and then so that the yeast will do its action. After that, you check it and then you fry it. So I'm leaving it for some time. So there we go. After let's say 30 minutes or 1 hour time, then we open it and then we check and then we start frying our buffalo. So we need to start frying the buffalo. So you scoop your buffalo. For that one, I'm not good at it, but I'll try and then we go. So something like this. So guys, we are almost done.
Yummy, delicious. Now we are done. Nice. So guys, this is a simple way to make buffalo.